we can't have fun if we're attached to suffering, right? We're
Oh,
not having fun
yeah.
if we're stuck in the suffering. And I think that that is part of why it's already started working for this client of ours is she's ready to let go of the suffering and to do this, right? And to make this a reality. She's committed, she's made the investment, and we're leaving the suffering behind.
Yeah.
And I think that that is, I know from experience, from personal experience, that
Mhm,
when we
mhm.
let go of the suffering and the old story, then magic and miracles begin to happen. That is when we actually start calling it, right? In my experience, my relationship completely changed. The
Mhm,
same man, the same
mhm.
man, right? The same man that I was suffering through, that I thought was, I needed to leave, I had to let go. This wasn't I was settling all the exact same man. The only
Mhm,
thing that changed was me and my letting go of the suffering,
mhm.
right? And through working with you